Hey guys, welcome to my new video, and today we'll learn how to add this interactive 3D card to your Wix Studio website without any code. This is a great way to make your website more dynamic and engaging for users. Here's how to make it. Open Wix Studio. Change the background color first. Now go to Add Elements and add a repeater. I'll add 3 more items. Scroll down to gaps and remove them. Stretch the repeater and choose the first item. And remove the background color. Now go to Add Elements, choose a container, and move it to the item. Since it's a repeater, the container duplicates for each item. Click Stretch, change the background color, and add borders. I'll set the width to 1 pixel. Moving on to titles. Go to Add Elements and choose a title. Click Edit Text and replace it. Let's change the color, font, and size. Now we need to add short descriptions. Add elements. And add a paragraph the same way. Replace the text and adjust it. Change the color, size, and font. Let's stretch paragraphs a bit. Hold Shift, select all texts, and click Stack. And replace the titles and descriptions for other cards as well. Go to Layers and choose a container. Rename it for convenience. Duplicate the container. Remove all the info inside and rename it to Hover. Now we'll be adding images. Resize them. And replace with the prepared ones. Click on the first image. Go to Animations and Effects. Find Mouse Effects there, and add the Tilt 3D animation for this one. That's the one we saw in the preview. Let's just slightly adjust it. Now go to Layers and click on the first item. Then go to Animations and Effects. Find Hover. And change Animated Element to our hover container. Add the fade animation. Back to Animations and Effects. And add the next animation and change Animated Element to Stack here. Select the Move animation and adjust it. Click Publish and it's done. Check out the final result. Interactive 3D cards that reveal on hover. If you like this video and don't want to miss new tutorials, click like and subscribe. As usual, leaving all the resources in the description so you can try to make it yourself, and see you in the next video.